On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me to clean the microwave. So it's been since before Thanksgiving that I cleaned my microwave. I did have a spill before Thanksgiving, but this is the dirt right now, or the food explosions. I already have a sponge in here because I put soap and water on it. And if you have a scrubby sponge or whatever, it would probably work. Or you can use a paper towel and whatever spray that you have that you might think that's the best. So I'm gonna take this out and I'll wash it in the sink in a little bit. Take that out. And like if you have really stuck on stuff, that's why the abrasive part will work, and it won't really scratch it. Oh yeah, and y'all think that this is just the dirty part. Y'all got to go up above. People miss that, the above part. You don't want your mother-in-law going to, or your mother-in-law or your father-in-law coming in to warm something up and see a nasty microwave, and you'll have to hear them the rest of the day. So anyways, can y'all name, I'm gonna point to the kitchen, the other side of the kitchen, name a few things or a few areas that people neglect to clean in the kitchen. Comment down below, and I'll name those areas here in a minute. Well, y'all know what a clean microwave looks like. We're on to that. Can some people put water in it, or a little bit of lemon with water to get this, turn it back on, the microwave on with a bowl of water, and they say that will loosen stuff up. I've tried that before. I don't really think it did at that moment. Yeah, so make sure y'all do the door and in the top if you get the chance. I have a big microwave because I have a hood right now. If we took and put this microwave up there, we would have to cut out the whole cabinet, and that's just a big thing right now. So the things that people neglect to clean in their kitchen, usually they just wipe down the counters or the stove and they think that's clean. But anyways, they forget the top of the refrigerator, inside the refrigerator, the vent under the refrigerator, the vent above the stove, which I do mine when I wipe the stove. And there was one other thing, or maybe not. No, I think that was it. But yeah, that's about it. And the microwave is usually another factor. But y'all go attack your cleaning and get your microwaves clean so you don't have to hear things from your in-laws. Hit that like button and subscribe. Yeah, the other thing that they don't like that you don't clean, right here, down below the stove.